Hello guys, Top Boy here again. I'm here with this new update. I want to show you guys this website that pays you Tron coin. You can mine Tron coin from this website and withdraw directly to your wallet, any wallet of your choice. So stay with me to the end to see how this works. This is the website. As you can see, I have one Tron coin already. If you register through my link, I'll be dropping the link on the video description. So when you register through my link, you will automatically get 1 Tron, and the minimum withdrawal of this website is just 2 Tron. Once you get up to 2 Tron coin, you'll be able to withdraw directly to your wallet. As you can see, this is a fresh account. I just opened this account. You can see I'm seeing level 1 here. See, mining speed is 0.003 per day. The more you refer people, or if you want to boost your mining speed, you can come here and upgrade your account to level 2, and level 2 costs just 5 Tron. And look at it, the mining speed here is 0.11 per day, and you get 3 spin for free. Duration is 60 days. If you want to upgrade, you can even upgrade to level 3. But me, normally I don't advise you to pay like to do all this kind of stuff. Like when you are doing all this kind of stuff, you do it like you want to gain, you don't want to invest. So you can actually have patience, be patient, and refer more users. Once you refer more users, your mining speed is going to be boosting. So here is the referral bonus. Let me show you. As you can see here, you can get your referral link that you're going to be sending to people so they can register through your link. As you can see, when you get to level 1 of direct referrals, you get 10% commission. As you can see, level 2, 5%. Your referrals, once they get to you, get commission from what you refer. There's a lot of award you can get here, rewards, for referring users to this website. So if you want to withdraw, let me show you where to withdraw. Let me click on this. You can see withdraw here. You add your Tron wallet address, and you can see minimum withdrawal here is 2 Tron. You can get to this 2 Tron easily, like less than a week or 2 weeks. If you put more effort on this website, you'll be able to withdraw successfully on time. So yeah, that's it. Check the video description to register through my link for the registration link. Thank you, and follow my channel for more updates like this, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch.